With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi students, our question is, some methods used for the laboratory preparation of salts are metal plus acid, carbonate plus acid, carbonate plus acid, precipitation, double decomposition, titration, and direct synthesis. So state the methods of preparation, that is A, B, C, D or E for each of the following salts. Ammonium sulphate. Okay. So let's find the answer for this. So method used for laboratory preparation of salts for ammonium sulphate is done by titration. Okay.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.